All right, we have another solving system of equations problems, this time by elimination. This one's a bit tougher than the last couple that we've done because if I look at my kind of smallest term for my x is the 2, if I go 2, 4, 6, it's multiples, I skip right over 5. And same thing with the y's, with 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, skip right over 4. So we have to manipulate both of our equations. And this can be a little bit tricky at first, but the way that I like to do this is it doesn't really matter. I like to kind of pick the smallest ones, but they're pretty close in this case. So let's just work with the x's. I like to multiply by its opposite. So this is the 2. I'm going to multiply by 5. This is 5. I'm going to multiply by 2. Okay. And what that does is it gives me the same number. Obviously, if you take the two things times each other and you just switch them, you get the same answer. In this case, 5 times 2 is 10. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. Those will eliminate. All right. So let's distribute our 5 through to each part of our top equation. This gives me 10x minus 15y, and then 5 times negative 18 is negative 90. 2 times negative 5x is negative 10x. 2 times 4y is 8, positive 8y. And lastly, 2 times 31 is 62. Okay, again, we're treating this like a big addition problem. We're just squeezing those two equations together. The x's, the positive 10x minus 10x, will cancel. And then negative 15y plus 8y is negative 7y. And then negative 90 plus 62 is negative 28. Okay, that's nice because if I divide by negative 7, then y gives me a positive 4, which is good. Then I need to plug this back in. I'm going to plug it back into one of the two originals, minus the what I multiplied by on the outside. I can just use the original red problem. And I'm going to do the easiest one. Since I'm doing it for y, let's see, I think I like the top one. Smaller numbers there. 2x minus 3y equals negative 18. You would get the same answer if you plugged into this one, though. It doesn't matter, whatever one you like better. And then I'm going to plug in this y for the y in my new problem. Okay, 2x minus 3, I like to leave a space here, equals negative 18. And in that space, I'm going to put the y that I just found, which was 4. So now 2x minus 3 times 4 is 12, equals negative 18. Add 12 to both sides. And 2x equals negative 18 plus 12 is negative 6. Divided by 2, x equals negative 3. Okay, your answer, though, is an ordered pair. Not like this, but like this. And we write our x first, x negative 3. Even though we found that second, it still goes first. And then the y for... So our final answer is negative 3